In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export trade data to CSV in Tradingview. By the end, you'll have a clean CSV file with your paper trades, ready for analysis in your favorite spreadsheet tool. Start by opening the chart you want to work with. Any symbol and time frame will do. The key is that you are on the chart screen. Along the bottom edge of Tradingview, you'll see the Trading panel. Click it to expand the panel, then choose the Paper Trading tab. If this is your first time using paper trading on this device or browser, Tradingview may prompt you to connect or set it up. Simply follow the on-face screen pop-ups to complete that quick connection. When you are connected, you'll know it because the paper trading dashboard and order controls will be visible at the bottom of the screen. With that connection active, click the paper trading label at the bottom again to open its drop-down menu. This reveals several account options tied to paper trading. From that drop-down, click Export Data to begin the export process. This is the built-in way to get your trade history out of Tradingview without any extra tools. An Export Options window will appear. You'll notice a couple of drop-downs in the second drop-down. Select Trade Journal. This is the format that includes the most useful details, entries, and exits. Position size, side, timestamps, and more, so you get a complete picture of your trading activity. Selecting Trade Journal ensures the CSV is structured in a way that's easy to filter, pivot, and chart later. Once Trade Journal is selected, click Export. Tradingview will prepare your file. Depending on your browser settings, the CSV may download automatically to your default downloads folder, or your browser may ask where you'd like to save it. Give it a moment while the file is generated. Larger histories can take a few extra seconds. After the download completes, you'll have a standard .csv file that opens in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. If you plan to analyze timestamps, it can help to confirm your Tradingview time zone so the times line up with your workflow. And because it's a CSV, you can sort by symbol, side, or date. Calculate performance metrics, and create charts or summaries without needing any additional formatting. If you export regularly, consider keeping a dated archive so you can track changes over time. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.